I'm not good enough. But I'm not smart enough. But I didn't come from the right family. But I don't have the money. But. If you ever want to step into your future, if you ever want to step into your destiny, you must kill your butt. That pity party you keep throwing, it's just an undisciplined mind replaying the same negative thoughts over and over and over again. You want a pity party? Fine. I'll give you 3 days. That's it. After those 3 days, you shut off the sad songs, you shut off the excuses, and you build a plan. Do you sit there and accept defeat? No, you don't. You look at yourself and say, enough, I'm done, I'm changing this, and I will keep pushing until I get it. You chase what you believe you deserve until it's finally in your hands. It doesn't matter who doubts you, who leaves you, who fires you, who laughs at you. You keep moving until you get it. Some of you aren't tired enough yet. You need to get tired of your patterns, tired of your habits, tired of waking up every day and accepting the same damn results. Nothing changes until you change. I woke up one day and stopped making excuses. I woke up one day and stopped blaming everyone else. I looked in the mirror and said, what the hell are you doing? Wake up, it's showtime. Get up, go to work, go to class, do the work nobody sees. Wake up earlier, stay later, stay humble. Outwork everyone when nobody is watching. Soon, people will look at you and say, he's built different. And they're right, because while they felt sorry for themselves, you kept going. Your life is the sum of your choices. Every choice brought you here. So ask yourself, why are you here? And own that answer. This world won't give you what you deserve. It gives you what you fight for. I grind every single day. Some days are harder, some roads are longer, but we do what we must, especially when we're desperate. Winning doesn't care about you. Winning doesn't care how tired you are. Winning doesn't care how much you've sacrificed. Winning demands everything and promises nothing. It will hit you with fear, with doubt, with setback after setback. So the question isn't, will you win? The real question is, are you willing to sprint when the finish line is nowhere in sight? Why chase winning? Because the only thing guaranteed when you don't chase it is losing. Now is the time to grind. Now is the time to rise, to prove you were put here for a purpose. Work for it, fight for it. Start today, continue tomorrow, and never, ever let it die.